In this video, we're going to see how to add a Twitter account to your Alerti account. Select Twitter menu and then click on Add your Twitter account. If you've already authorized Facebook and Instagram permission, you're going to see your Facebook page and Instagram account. Click on Add new Twitter account. You land on the Twitter authorization screen to authorize read permission to access your Twitter account content. Click on Authorize app. You then see your Twitter account listed here. You just need to select it. You click on Next. You've got the notification, email, mobile, desktop, real time, once per day, once per week, none, to be notified when you get replies or mentions on Twitter. You click on Finish and the alert is created. Your Twitter feed is displayed here with the possibility to filter by type of tweet, tweets, replies, mentions. We also provide you with insights on your Twitter account, which are explained in a different video.